now going to shift our focus to more breaking news coming in. Punjab Congress in charge, Bhupesh Baghel, is continuing his two-day visit to the state with a series of organizational meetings. Now, on the second day of his visit, Bhupesh Baghel is scheduled to meet the newly appointed working presidents of the Punjab Congress, followed by discussions with district presidents and also senior party leaders at the state Congress office. But all of this is happening in the midst of a rebellion or voices of discontent that are emerging. We are getting to know that former Chief Minister of Punjab, Charanjit Singh Channi, and leaders who are aligned with him have stayed away from Baghel's meetings and are also preparing to meet Rahul Gandhi and KC Venugopal in Delhi. Nyamika is with us. What is the signal that Charanjit Channi camp is trying to now send out by keeping away from Bhupesh Baghel's meeting, by saying that whatever we have to say, whatever we have to convey, we will convey it to Rahul Gandhi and KC Venugopal in Delhi itself? Break down the details, Nyamika.
Well, yes, indeed, we have seen that how the crisis which is there in Punjab Congress, the rift which is there is deepening day by day, and that is the only reason why continuously these kinds of meetings of the rebel camp is happening there. Firstly, the meeting was being called by Charanjit Singh Channi, where many of his supporters, even the senior leaders, including Bharat Bhushan Ashu, as well as the other party leaders like O.P. Soni, had also attended that particular meeting. And after that, yesterday there was another round of meeting which had taken place, in which we have seen that not just Charanjit Singh Channi, but in fact Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa was also he also participated in that particular meeting. And in that meeting, it is being told by the sources that they have decided to boycott these meetings which are currently taking place in Chandigarh, where the state in charge, Bhupesh Baghel, is having consultation with all the leaders there about this kind of a dissent which is there in the state unit. But all of these leaders who are actually not satisfied with the decision which is being taken by the party high command to repeat Raja Varing for the PCC president post, they all have decided to boycott this meeting with Bhupesh Baghel. In fact, they are of the view that if they will participate in this meeting with Bhupesh Baghel, if they are going to have these consultations with the state in charge, then their point is going to be weakened, and that is the only reason why they are also planning to hold meetings with the party high command to meet Rahul Gandhi in particular, and to convey this kind of a dissent which is there within the Punjab state unit, because they are stating that it was not just one or two leaders, but a very large faction within the Punjab Congress state unit who are actually of the view that it is very much important to change Raja Varing from the PCC president post ahead of the assembly elections which are coming in. And for that reason, they are also stating that the
has been trying to project a picture of unity. If you see the posts that he's been putting out on social media, even when questions are being asked about how there are certain factions of the Punjab Congress unit where there is a sense of discontent, they've been trying to dismiss all those reports. But is that really the case? Is the Congress unit in Punjab united ahead of the all-important elections? I want you to stay with us, Nyamika, because let's talk about what we know so far. Is Charanjit Singh Channi upset, and what is he going to do next? Why is that he's been holding these meetings with his supporters? Why is it that his supporters have been saying that we need a change, we want to fight under the leadership of Channi? But before that, viewers, let's actually take you across to what has been happening. Let's tell you about the reasons why Charanjit Singh Channi is upset. Let's break it down graphically for you. What we are hearing from our sources is that Charanjit Singh Channi was vying for the post of the Punjab Pradesh Committee Congress chief. So he wanted this post. Remember, there is a rejig that has happened, and the Congress party has put the emphasis on continuity, and it said that Raja Varing will continue. Reason number two, as per sources, that there has been no leadership change in the Congress state unit, which Channi wanted. Varing continues to be the Punjab Congress chief, and this is another reason why the Charanjit Singh Channi camp is unhappy. And then Channi was made the chief of the Congress's campaign panel. So these are reasons that have been cited by sources as to why Charanjit Singh Channi and his camp are not very happy with the decisions that have been taken by the High Command. But with that, some more reactions coming in, because the BJP currently is mocking the divide that is playing and the rebellion that is brewing in Punjab Congress.
Randhawa versus Punjab Congress. Now all of them have united because they want Raja Wading out and they want Channi to be made the state president. Congress party in Punjab is in tatters. No Niti, Niyat, Neta, Netritva, mission or vision, only confusion and division. Rahul Gandhi is an ineffective leader and therefore Congress is in split mode in every part of the country. Karnataka, DK Shivakumar versus Siddaramaiah. Kerala, Tharoor versus Congress party. Himachal, Pratibha Singh ji versus Sukhu. Rajasthan, Gehlot versus Pilot. And now in Delhi also, it's Rahul versus Priyanka Congress. In fact, Madhya Pradesh and Telangana Congress united to defeat Meenakshi Natarajan. This shows that there is no unity in Congress. For the sake of ambition of power and for the sake of seat, they keep fighting. This picture is not showing unity, it is actually showing the disunity in the Punjab Congress unit. First it was Tharoor versus Punjab Congress, then Channi versus Punjab Congress, Randhawa versus Punjab Congress. Now all of them have united because they want Raja Wading out and they want Channi to be made the state president.